This high-pressure garden hose nozzle is the perfect all-around tool for your lawn and garden needs. It features a heavy-duty metal construction with a comfortable non-slip grip, and it fits all standard 3/4-inch garden hoses. The nozzle has 8 different spray patterns, including mist, shower, jet, flat, soaker, center, cone, and angle, so you can choose the perfect setting for any task. Whether you're watering your plants, washing your car, or cleaning your patio, this nozzle will give you the power and precision you need to get the job done. It's also great for showering pets and rinsing off toys. Here are some of the benefits of using this high-pressure garden hose nozzle. Durable metal construction for long-lasting performance. Comfortable non-slip grip for easy handling. 8 different spray patterns to choose from. Fits all standard 3/4-inch garden hoses. Great for a variety of tasks, including watering plants, washing cars, cleaning patios, and showering pets. To use the nozzle, simply attach it to your garden hose and turn on the water. Then, rotate the nozzle to select the desired spray pattern. Adjust the flow of water by turning the handle at the base of the nozzle. When you're finished using the nozzle, turn off the water and detach it from the hose. Be sure to store the nozzle in a dry place to prevent rust and corrosion. Order your high-pressure garden hose nozzle today and see the difference it makes.